Good morning, Sunrisers. I'm Dr. Janzen, and today we have Booger here with us. So Booger's actually a 15-year-old dog, and he came to us on emergency just a couple of weeks ago. His owners noticed that he had gotten in the trash, and ever since then he was acting just kind of lethargic and dumpy, wasn't wanting to eat, was vomiting, couldn't keep even water down. So they brought him to us, and we took some x-rays. He had a lot of just gas in his intestines, which is really indicative of a foreign body or something obstructing his intestines. So we rushed him to emergency surgery, found a large chunk of popcorn kernels that were uncooked, as well as a meat wrapper in his stomach. So he had a pretty intensive surgery and a little bit of a lengthy recovery just because of his age. But as you can see, he has just done absolutely wonderful. He is totally healed. And so, you know, we try to make sure that age is not necessarily a factor when it comes to anesthesia, as far as patients not being able to go under, especially for emergency situations. And clearly you can see that Booger has just done absolutely wonderful with it. We're excited to see that he's happy and healthy with his family. If you notice, though, that your dog's ever gotten into the trash or eat sticks or toys or different things like that, and they start acting a little bit different, maybe not wanting to get up, vomiting, unable to keep water down, anything like that, that is a true emergency, and you should definitely contact your veterinarian immediately for that. Because had Booger stayed another, 24, 48 hours, something like that, we would have ended up with a very different result with him, and he wouldn't still be here hanging out with us. We do a lot of these surgeries, as unfortunate as it is, so we're very comfortable with the procedure, and most of the time that these guys do recover well, but we find that if you hold off on diagnosing and performing surgery, that the result can sometimes be very, very different for them. His owners have done a spectacular job after surgery with getting him back to normal health, getting him eating and drinking normally, and he is 100% back to normal. So if you guys notice that your pets are acting a little bit off and you're worried that maybe they've eaten something that's foreign to them, give us a call, and I promise your pets will thank you.
WCBI Animal Health with Dr. Emerson was brought to you by Emerson Animal Hospital in West Point.